Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's look at the foodie and party Amigurumi Crochet pattern from 32 designers from all over the world. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated. In this collection, you will find so many yummy food, sushi, snack, fruit to make. It make the perfect party, but also get a lot of garden residents to for you to have the garden party. And don't forget to grab the freebie that I designed exclusively for this collection. Is the Canva template for the garden party invitation that you can edit on your own, chain name, chain date, and send to your friend, your family. You can find all the links in the description below. And if you love this roundup, please give me one like or one comment below to let me know.